Hey, welcome back, friends, on MLM Guru India. In this video, I'm going to share with you one of the best business plan. And as you know, every time I'm bringing for you a best business opportunities, work from home, and how you can earn money through your home, and how you can help to peoples, and how you can generate money for yourself. So, in this video, which is something exciting going to start, so please don't skip this video, watch till the end so that you can get a clear knowledge and about that how you can do this plan and how you can earn money through it. Okay, so without getting any delay, let's jump into it. So here is the website in front of us. The plan name is SJVF. This plan is all about a charity. Okay, so just we are going to talk about this plan. So please watch till the end this video. So here is the home page, and you can see this website dashboard, and here you can read all these mentioned details about SJVF. Okay, so social justice vigilance firm, and you can read all about this. Okay, so and if you want to know about them, so you can read here. Okay, dear citizens of India, we are pleased to introduce social justice vigilance firm, okay, AKTM TC 75 2014, which had its humble bringing on to 28th January 2014. Okay, and if you want to about their management department, so you can know about them. ADV PT Radhakrishna, president of this business plan. Okay, Dr. Sumita Layer, general secretary of this association. Abison AL, secretary. Okay, and let's move on to the next. We will read about their services and what services they are providing. Okay, now here you can read about their services: food and consumer safety, road safety, land and building safety, education safety, agriculture safety, women empowerment and children's secretary, occupational safety, free legal aid, social helping plan, family welfare scheme. Okay, so here you can know about all details about their plans. Okay, now you can see their membership, and here you can read all the details about their membership. Okay, and if I'll read all these details, so video will make very long. So just I'm focusing to value people, so that's why I'm not reading this, and so that's why we will move next one. So here you can see their gallery and their works that he done, and you can read about all these. Okay, so if you want to contact with them, so you can contact with them here, and social justice vision firm, and here they mention all about their details like address, phone number, email, support, and location map here also mentioned. And if you want to create your account, so you can, if you have already account, so you can log in here. If you don't have any account, so you can register here. So this was all about their website. Okay, so Injustice Home. So now we will talk about their plan, how you can earn money through it, and how you can grow your life, and how you can help to people. So in front of you, just for starting SJVF plan, just you have to donate 220 rupees. When you will join this association, 220 rupees. So what you have to do after that, and just watch and listen carefully what I'm saying to you. Okay, things to do: care first for each member joining the business government committee. Okay, bring 2 people in a week. Just you have to bring 2 people in a week. When you will bring 2 people in a week, help bring 2 people next week with the 2 you brought. Okay, as it is 1 week you'll have 2 people. In 2 week you'll have 4 people. 3 week you will have 8 people. 4 week you will have 16 people, and in 5 week you will have 32 people, and your total team will be 62 people. If you create a team of 62 people in 5 weeks, this is the income you get if 62 people in your team do it. Okay, so okay, let's start. In first level donation you have to do 220 rupees. Okay, so when you will invest your 220 rupees, when you will donate your 220 rupees, so if you remember, you have a 62 peoples, right? So 62 into 40 rupees you will get from each people. Okay, so 62 into 40 is equal to 2480 rupees will be your income, and your upgrade charge will be 525 rupees. Okay, so after that you will have your net income 1955 rupees. Okay, so this is your first level. And when you will enter in your second level, so you have a 62 peoples, right? So 62 into 100 rupees is equal to 6200 rupees your income, and your upgrade charge will be 1575 rupees, and after that your net income will be 4625 rupees. When you will enter in the third floor, so 62 into 300 rupees is equal to 18,600 rupees will be your net income, and your upgrade charge will be 4800 rupees, and after that your net income will be 13,800 rupees. Okay, and after that you will enter in the fourth level. So 62 into 800 rupees is equal to 49,600 will be your income, and your upgrade charge will be 13,125 rupees, and your net income will be 36,475 rupees. Okay, as like that, when you will enter in the level 5, so 62 into 2500 rupees is equal to 1,55,000 will be your income, and your upgrade charge will be 36,750 rupees. So after that, after this deduction, your net income will be 1,18,250 rupees. Okay, I think this is clear. Okay, so let's move on to the next. Now we'll read about 6th floor. When you will enter in the 6th floor, so 62 into 7,000 rupees is equal to 4,34,000 rupees will be your revenue, and your upgrade charge will be 1,05,000, and after that you will have your net income 3,29,000 rupees. Okay, when you will enter in the level 7, so 62 into 20,000 rupees is equal to 12,40,000 rupees will be your income, and your upgrade charge will be 2,62,500 rupees, and after that your net income will be 9,77,500 rupees. After that you will move and you will upgrade for level 8. So in your level 8 already you have 62 people. So 62 people into 50,000 rupees from each people, so is equal to 31 lakhs will be your income, and your upgrade charge will be 6,56,500 rupees, and your net income will be 24,43,750 rupees. Okay, and when you will enter in the 9th floor, so 62 into 12,50,000 rupees is equal to 77,50,000 rupees will be your revenue, and your upgrade charge will be 16,80,000 rupees, and after that you will have your net income 60,70,000 rupees. When you will enter in the 10th floor, this is your final floor which you have to complete. That you have a 62 peoples, and 62 into 3,20,000 rupees is equal to 1 crore 98,40,000 rupees will be your income. Okay, so as like that you will earn money from this plan to help peoples. Okay, so now what you have to do, if you want to contact with them, so I will give you the all details in the video description. Like you want to contact with them, so you can contact with them. Okay, so I'll provide you mail, contact number, WhatsApp and calls, so you can gain complete knowledge about this plan. Okay, so in order to get crores in this assistance scheme, all the members who came should do only as mentioned above. Okay, if you have only doubts when informing others about the business, resolve the doubts with the person or leaders who invited you. Okay, if you have any doubt about this plan, you can consult with those people who they came into you in this plan. Okay, we strive to provide business opportunities to at least 3 people each day for 6 days. Just you have to help 3 people for 6 days and you will get huge amount of money, guys. And in the last, I'm going to bring 64 groups package for each person who come with us. So they are saying to you, okay, so they are helping to you, they will hand holding support to you. Okay, so I hope this plan helpful for you. And now if you have any doubt, so you can obviously contact with them. I hope you like the video. If yes, so please give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing educational and work from home earning videos. For now, thank you so much guys for watching this video, and we will meet in another video. Thank you.